Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect Step Card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So as I'm using an Android device, I will teach you how you can do it in Google Pay. So first of all you gotta do is simply tap open your Google Wallet app on your device. So once you open your Google Wallet app, all you gotta do is simply tap to add to wallet. Once you have done this, you need to simply tap on the steps to either scan or manually enter the card details on your device. After you have done this, provide any other and additional information requested to complete the verification process with the card issuer. So if you're using Apple Pay, then you can open the wallet app on your iPhone or any other Apple device, tap on the plus icon or add card button and select debit or credit card from the option. After you have done this, scan your card using your iPhone's camera or tap enter card manually and complete the on-screen instructions. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.